Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to learn about dolphins and how they exemplify our ninth character equation of self-control plus purpose equals resilience. While you're watching this video, listen for these interesting words: self-control, echolocation, protective circle, teamwork, purpose, support, learning, problem solving, character trait, resilience, adapt, perseverance, navigate, encouragement, and human domino effect. Are you ready to learn about dolphins and how they exemplify our ninth character equation? Let's go. Have you ever seen a dolphin leap through the waves and thought, how do they do that? Well, dolphins are not just playful, they are powerful. They show self-control, they live with purpose, and they always bounce back with resilience. Let's dive in and see how they do it. Dolphins show self-control every day. That means they stay calm and think before they act, even when they're excited or facing danger. They use echolocation. That's how they send sound waves through the water to see and find food. That takes patience and precision with their self-control. When sharks show up, dolphins don't panic. Instead, they form a protective circle to keep their pod safe. Even when they swim, dolphins match each other's timing. It's like synchronized swimming, and that takes amazing teamwork and self-control. Dolphins also live with purpose. That means they have a goal and stick with it. When one dolphin is tired or sick, the pod gives it support, helping it reach the surface to breathe. Baby dolphins learn by watching older dolphins, just like you do at school. They even use tools like sea sponges to protect their noses when searching for food. And they're great at problem solving, figuring out smart ways to find food, play games, and escape nets. When dolphins have self-control and purpose at the same time, they build something super powerful: resilience. Resilience means you don't give up when things are tough. You keep trying, keep going, and keep helping others along the way. Dolphins adapt to strong waves and storms. That means they change their path, but not their purpose. When a dolphin struggles, the pod never leaves it behind. And no matter what happens, dolphins bounce back. They're playful, smart, and determined to keep going. You might not live in the ocean, but you do have something in common with dolphins. You can use self-control when you're upset or excited. You can follow your purpose, whether it's learning, creating, or helping someone. And you can build resilience by getting through hard times and helping others too. Now it's your turn to think like a dolphin. Can you think of a time when you use self-control to stay calm or make a good choice? What's a purpose you're working toward at school or in your life? How can you build resilience when something feels hard? After this video, take time to share your ideas with your classmates or your family. Remember, just like the dolphins, self-control plus purpose equals resilience. You are strong, you are focused, and you're never alone in your pod. Keep going and ride the waves of possibility. Now, did you pay close attention to our words to remember? Self-control. Yes, that's staying calm and thinking before you act, even when you're upset or excited. Purpose. A goal or reason for doing something important. Resilience. the ability to keep going and bounce back when things are hard. Pod, a group or family of dolphins that lives, swims, and works together. Echolocation, a way dolphins see underwater by sending out sound waves and listening for echoes. Teamwork, people or dolphins working together to help each other and reach a goal. Navigate, to find your way, especially through the ocean, a new place, or a challenge. Adapt, to change what you're doing so you can succeed in a new situation. Character trait, a quality you have, like being helpful, brave, kind, or focused. Support, helping someone emotionally or physically so they don't have to feel alone. Problem solving, finding smart and creative ways to fix a problem. Perseverance, never giving up, even when it's hard or takes a long time. Protective circle, a way dolphins group together to keep everyone safe from harm. We do this as humans too when we take care of each other. Learning, gaining new knowledge, skills, or understanding through experience or study. Encouragement, kind words or actions that help others to feel brave and to keep trying. And the Human Domino Effect, the idea that what you do affects others, and together we can choose to impact one another in ways that make life better for everyone. Before we go, I want to give a big thank you to the creators of the video titled Dolphins Off the Coast of New Zealand. This video is on the Get Factual channel on YouTube. I hope you get to watch the full documentary sometime soon. Remember, just like the dolphins, self-control plus purpose equals resilience. You are strong, you are focused, and you're never alone in your pod. Keep going and ride the waves of possibility.
And don't forget, if you need a refresher on how to make your best choices in your own life, you can go back and watch the Healthy, Happy, Free videos. Until next time, keep making choices that include all three to be healthy, happy, and free.